You know all of this green area that you're seeing? It's part of the Amazon forest, the planet's largest biodiversity reserve. It's the reason the Forest Friend program was created. The Forest Friend Sustainability Program aims to help conserve every square meter of this area. But don't think that you don't have anything to do with this. You do, a lot. Every sustainable decision you make in your day-to-day life is one more step toward a better planet. So make conscientious choices. Always keep nature conservation in mind when you make decisions, and strengthen businesses that support a truly sustainable cycle. That way me, you, all of us will be able to proudly leave behind a much better world for our future generations.